Good morning, student. In the previous class, we learned about finding the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Today, we will learn finding the solution of quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So, before finding the solution, you must know the quadratic formula. So, I will write down that formula, that is quadratic formula. The roots of a quadratic equation, the roots of a quadratic equation are given by quadratic equation. You may say the general form, the roots of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given by the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where this under root of b square minus 4ac, where this under root of b square minus 4ac is called discriminant, and it must be provided you can find out the roots of the equation if and only if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, and we denote this b square minus 4ac as capital D. Okay, and provided you can find out the roots only if provided b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Means the roots exist if and only if your value of d is greater than 0 or equal to 0. Now, the next topic is nature of roots. The next is the nature of roots. So in this, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has real roots. A quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has number 1, two distinct real roots. If your value of d is greater than 0, and second, has two equal roots if d is equal to 0. If d is equal to 0. And third one is no real roots if d is less than 0. You must have to remember these three conditions. Then only these three conditions and the quadratic formula, then only you can find out the roots of the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Okay, now we will take 2 or 3 examples. Next is example. Find the discriminant. Find the discriminant of quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And hence find the nature of its root. Hence find the nature of its roots. Solution. Here, since the given equation is of the form, so on comparing this equation with the standard form, comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will get, then you will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 3. Now find the discriminant. Just before this we find it, take it as discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now here see b is minus 4, so minus 4 square minus 4 into value of a is 2, value of c is 3. So it will be 16 minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is the 24. Minus 24. So it will be minus 8, and since it is less than 0, so you can say that the given equation has no real roots. Therefore, since d is less than 0, therefore the given equation has no real roots. I think all are clear. Okay. Now we will take another example. Find the nature of roots of the equation, and if the real roots exist, then find them. Next example is find the nature of roots of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 0, and if the real root exist, then find them. So in this case, your first step is finding the discriminant. So comparing this the given equation with the standard form, comparing given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you will get, so we have a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 1 upon 3. Now substitute in d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here your b square is minus 2 square minus 4 into a is 3 into 1 upon 3. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. It will be 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Now here since d is equal to 0, therefore it has two equal roots. Therefore it has two equal roots. Now the next step, find the roots. Now we can use the quadratic formula. I rub this one. So by quadratic formula, what is that? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of d upon 2a. Here your b is minus 2, so minus of minus 2 plus or minus under root of 0 upon 2 into 3, that is minus multiplication of two negative number is positive, so 2 upon 6, so your answer is 1 upon 3. So therefore the roots are, or thus the roots of the given equation are 1 by 3, 1 by 3. I think all are clear. Now again we will take some different type of question, that find the value of k if the given equation has two equal roots. So the next example, is find the value of k of the equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0, so that they have two equal roots. Now your first step is compare with the standard form. So you will get here a is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. And since they have equal roots, what is the condition for equal roots? Since they have two equal roots, therefore you can write it as, therefore you will get d is equal to 0. But what is d? That is under b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. You may write it like this. So this implies, what is b? That is k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0, implies k square minus 24 is equal to 0. Now find out the factors of 24. So it will be k square is equal to 24 and the k square k is equal to square root of 24. तो आपका हो जाएगा plus or minus under root of 24. Now you can find out factors of k, that is 6 4s are 24. So the answer is plus or minus 2 root 6. So either thus the required value of k are, thus the required value of k are 2 root 6 or minus 2 root 6. I think all are clear. Now we will solve other questions, remaining questions on the Google Meet, and the 100% attendance is required, and after attending that Google Meet you have to solve all these examples and questions in the classwork notebook. Okay, thank you.